What is now trees, grass, and mud will become, before the end of this year, a 20,000 square foot manufacturing facility for Ithaca Gun Company here at the Cool Springs Business Park near Aynor. It'll be next door to PTR Industries, the area's first gun maker that's just getting started in its new facility. Ithaca will employ around 80 to 100 people, mostly doing what the company has always done.
Some of the weapons they'll be making here they've made for a long time, but they're going to also be introducing a new product and then developing a whole barrel line, not just for Ithaca, but for other manufacturers.
Lofton says unlike PTR Industries, which moved its entire production to Horry County, Ithaca's headquarters will remain in Ohio. The Cool Springs plant will be a separate division, so only a handful of Ithaca employees will make the move.
We expect them to probably bring maybe a couple, 2 or 3, but the vast majority of these will be local hires.
Those local hires will earn about $16 to $18 an hour, Lofton says, with some technicians making more than $20 an hour. Lofton and other local officials will be in Las Vegas this week for the nation's largest gun industry show, where they will tout Horry County as a good place for gun makers to relocate.
We've had other people in the industry point us towards other CEOs that are in that line of work that would like to consider the Myrtle Beach area. So I think you'll see maybe at least another announcement this year.